this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're in Playa Potrero, and we're about to check out a villa. The villa is called Villa Celeste. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,184 square feet villa. I can't wait to show you this really cool house today. This affordable villa would make a great vacation rental or a place to call home. You've got this open living area with balcony doors that open up to a covered terrace. There's an almond tree right outside your front door. There's 2 bedrooms here. One has a king bed. It can be converted into 2 twins if you prefer, and the second bedroom has 2 twins. This unit also has a laundry. Let's go and check out the pool. Here at the condo Laurel complex, we are a 5-minute drive from the beach. You can reach Playa Potrero and you can reach Playa Pink as well. You're close to restaurants and grocery stores. Here, Villa Celeste is just on our right. There are 15 condos here in this complex, and we're going to go and check out the amenities. It's very peaceful and relaxing here at the condos. You've got this great swimming pool. It's great for laps. You also have a shallow end, and you have a rancho in case you want to have guests or family here just to enjoy each other. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like this villa to be yours and for you to enjoy this beautiful paradise that I have the privilege to live in, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call. I would love to speak to you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.